Alright, so back with the second day of Evolving Skies. I don't know. I'm thinking about backloading this week with more packs, so let's just do another set of the pack arts for today. So 4 packs. Go ahead and start from the top, but I don't know. Later in the week we'll get into some. We'll do more than 4 packs. We'll get into doing that. But let's get started for the day. But yesterday we pulled our first VMAX, Lycanroc, so not all bad. Let's see what else is in here. But Steel Energy, starting things off. Got the Vigoroth, Swablu, Litleo, look at that. Simba out here. Chinchou, ooh, Dino, I guess. Pumpkaboo, getting ready for Halloween. Elemental Badge, reverse holo. For the rare, got a Lilligant, so looks like it's hanging out. But Umbreon pack up next. I actually really like this pack art. Not sure why, but ooh, not my cleanest opening. And got our friend Pikachu up top. But here's the Pikachu. We'll see him again. Psychic Energy, Shogun, Escu. There's that Pikachu again. So solid Pikachu art. Applin. Surprisingly, this is one of my. I actually really like this art. Simple yet clean. Lillipup, Emolga, Tentacool. Ooh, we got a Flapple reverse holo. Not a bad reverse holo pull. For the rare, got the Zoroark. Solid. Clean looking card. So next pack, Duraludon. Oh, I'm doing terrible opening these, sorry guys. Not the cleanest, but code card. Fire Energy. Laffy. Fletchling, Scraggy, Papatus, Lotad reverse holo. Lotad's just chilling out. For the rare. Ooh, we got a Gyarados V, so solid pull in the Gyarados V. First V card pull from this set, but not bad. Gyarados. Finally, Rayquaza pack art. See if I can do this a little better. I don't know. Some of these code cards I'd like to keep for myself. I'm hoping that the mobile app that they're releasing for Pokemon trading card game is actually linked to the online game. That would be nice. Dream Ball reverse holo. For the rare, Wishy-Washy. But so we got a V pull today. Gyarados V. And we also pulled a holo in the Zoroark. But not the best day, but we'll look forward to it tomorrow.